Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the essentials right now. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS and Bluetooth is on. Open the AirPods 3 case and hold it close to the phone. This proximity triggers the pairing animation. Once the pop-up appears, tap Connect. The phone uses your Apple ID to pair and sync settings automatically. If nothing shows up, press and hold the Setup button on the back of the case until the status light blinks. This forces discoverable mode so you can continue. Once connected, you follow the phone prompts to finish setup. Tap Connect, opt in to set up Hey Siri if you want voice control, and accept the synchronization prompts. The iPhone uses iCloud to share the AirPods across your Apple devices. This is why signing into your Apple ID matters. Make sure to grant any requested permissions, because those let the system manage automatic switching and Find My functionality. After setup, you can fine-tune controls and mic behavior from Bluetooth settings. You finish by verifying audio. Play a track and check both ears, test the mic with a voice memo, and toggle automatic ear detection and spatial audio in Control Center to see the effects. Make sure the iPhone shows AirPods as the audio output. If something fails, no pop-up, one ear silent, or connection drops, reset the AirPods. With the case lid open, press and hold the setup button about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. After that, bring them close and repeat the pairing steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.